Facebook Live Karbi Anglong Karbi Youth Festival official page kilang bomitong pan nili sarim tok bihin pen kuthot kardom pa jiriglo ilitum Nagaland pen Halloween pen kewang according jirtum litum long do halang litum ko pi ke tag long si bate Karbi Youth Festival long gewang pen ko anan ningrong halang litum pen le arju panthulna. Welcome back to all the viewers of the official page of the Karbi Youth Festival. We have our friends from all the way from Nagaland. So let's see how they came to know about the Karbi Youth Festival and how they found about after visiting the Karbi Youth Festival. We have our friend. May I know your name, sir?
Yeah, my name is Akam.
Akam.
Yeah.
Right. So how did you know about the Karbi Youth Festival?
Yeah, I've been reading about Karbi Youth Festival through social medias, and then it was so interesting to know about this festival. It seems this is the oldest as well as the largest youth festival in Northeast India, I think. So I wanted my students to witness Karbi Youth Festival, and then they're also excited to come here and then witness this Karbi Youth Festival. Yeah.
When did you reach the Karbi Youth Festival ground actually?
Yeah, we reached this morning.
This morning. And how did you find the Karbi Youth Festival?
It's really
overall?
good. It's really good. It's really good. Yeah, we are having lots of fun here, and then we are planning to come next year as well for the 50th Karbi Youth Festival. Yeah.
You're all welcome once again. And then I will like to tell you that you must go and have a glimpse of the traditional the vibe of the Karbi traditions.
Yeah, sure. We are doing that. Yeah.
Okay. They are from Nagaland. Thank you, everyone.
Is it started? Yeah.